Bridges are getting taller, longer, and smarter, and so are the tools to design them. In 2025, if you want to succeed as a bridge engineer, you need more than just textbooks. You need to master the right softwares. In fact, it is highly desirable that you finish learning basics of these softwares while completing your B.Tech degree itself. Today, I'll share the 5 most important software every bridge engineer must know in 2025. First is AutoCAD with Civil 3D. AutoCAD is the bread and butter for any civil engineer. You can use it to make plans, sections, elevations, and details of bridges, culverts, buildings, and roads. With Civil 3D, you can take things to the next level when it comes to handling highway and railway alignments, cross-sections, earthworks, and drainage, etc. For bridge engineers, Civil 3D helps integrate the bridge with its approach roads and track layouts, a critical step in railway bridge design. Second software on the list is MIDAS Civil. This is a powerful finite element analysis tool specifically built for bridges. They allow you to model steel girders, RCC slabs, pre-stressed concrete slabs and girders, cable-stayed bridges, and also arch bridges. Indian Railways, NHAI, and consultants around the world are using MIDAS for complex bridge projects. If you want to be a serious bridge designer, you cannot skip this. Third is STAAD Pro. STAAD is widely used in India for superstructures, substructures, and even foundations. STAAD Pro helps a bridge engineer analyze how the loads create bending moments, shear forces, torsion, and deflections. In India, most consultants, contractors, and even railways divisions accept STAAD Pro outputs for design. It's almost an industry standard skill. Knowing STAAD Pro makes you immediately more employable. Fourth is BIM, Building Information Modeling. The future of bridge engineering is digital. With BIM, you don't just draw lines. You create a digital twin of the bridge. Every beam, rebar, and bearing is part of a data-rich 3D model. In 2025, major projects like metros, railways, and highways demand BIM deliverables. If you know BIM, you're already future-ready. Fifth is a project management software, Prima Vera or MS Project. A bridge engineer doesn't only design, he also deals with construction schedules, approvals, and deadlines. Prima Vera helps you track progress, manage delays, and keep projects within budget. This is the software that turns engineers into project leaders. So now let's recap the 5 must-know software for bridge engineers in 2025. AutoCAD, MIDAS Civil, STAAD Pro, BIM, Prima Vera or MS Project. Learn these and you'll not just be a bridge engineer, you'll be a bridge leader. Which of these software do you already know? Comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All About Bridges for more such content that connects your career to the future of civil engineering.